Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikolai J. So Katherine Michelle on YouTube, who does a lot of cooking keto videos, did a stuffed pepper video, and I really wanted to try it. I've been trying to get more into keto foods and try them out, and it looked really good when she made it, but when I went in the comments, I didn't see whether or not anyone had tried it and really liked it at first. So I decided that I was going to try it for myself and film it for you guys and tell you my thoughts on it and whether or not I thought it was a pretty good meal. I mean, it just has some basic stuff in there: ground beef, cream cheese, and Rotel tomatoes, but it could come out one of two ways. So I'm super excited to test it out and see how it goes. All right, let's get to cooking. Oh, by the way, this is coming from someone who cannot cook. I am in no way, shape, or form a cook, a chef, anything. Cooking is not my strong suit, but that is totally okay. That's fine, because the meal seems simple enough to make. So I'm going to go ahead and make them, and I'll let you know my final thoughts. All right, let's get to cooking. All right, so she said that she cut the top off and cleaned the seeds out. I'm only going to do one bell pepper because she did mention that they don't taste quite as great when they're all gross and soggy, and I don't plan on eating more than, well, one bell pepper. And then I think I'll make a salad. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut this open, and get to it. Okay, I am now putting these two on the foil, and I'm going to stick them into the oven. She heated it up at 350, so I'm going to go ahead, stick this in there, and then start on browning my meat for these bad boys. All right. So she said 350, and she said 20 to 30 minutes. So I guess it's already heated to 350. 350, whoop whoop. And let's put on the timer. Go with 20 to be safe. And boom, 20 minutes. We're gonna check on those. And now we're gonna start to brown some meat up in this pan. I'm going to be using some avocado oil. Whoop whoop, has a high smoking point. Don't know if that really matters right now, but you know, olive oil works just fine though, I do know that. All right, so wait, let's see if we can get, there we go. So she used a whole thing of cream cheese. Let's just dump this bad boy in there. Hers was cooled a little bit. So hers was softened from being out of the fridge. I just took mine out of the fridge. Probably shouldn't have done that, but I mean, I figure it's okay. It's not that big a deal. Oh, snap. Ooh, our bell peppers are almost finished. I'm looking at the timer. I see they're almost finito. And this is why you take it out before you just dump it into food, because as you can see, this is not wanting to come off here. I wouldn't cook the food. All right, the bell peppers are about to be done. It's almost time. 15. 14, 13, okay, it's taking too long. Let's fast forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep. All right, let's take the bell peppers out. going to be using some Rotel. Okay. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this dip in here. Look at the dip. Okay, let's see. All right. Why did I cut this so weird? I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. Can I still pick it up? Can I still? Come on. Okay. All right. All right. It's like barely any dip on there, but it's fine. We're gonna try it. All right. That's kind of lit. That's kind of lit. Actually, it's very lit. Girl, this is good. And I didn't even use sausage, which is, I don't know. Which means it's not elite. Oh gosh, I'm dying here. Which means it's not as spicy, but this is good. So I know you can't see my face right now, and that's okay, but just know that my initial reaction is this is bomb. This recipe is amazing, and this is not even with sausage. So if you like spicy stuff, I can only imagine how good it is that way. I just try not to eat too much pork, so I went ahead and went with ground beef. But still, this is so good. I definitely recommend you guys try out her recipe. It is really, really good. All right.